master of, the people. That's a big issue which is coming. All of you know about AI, artificial intelligence. We all love artificial intelligence because it's exciting, right? It has wonderful possibilities of doing things. But on the flip side of technology, it's a big challenge in terms of constitution because one doesn't know. People say that there are maybe 5-6 big corporations for running technology. And you must have read a book, I would recommend a book called The Code, C-O-D-E, by Professor Lawrence Lessig from Harvard, wrote long back, 20 years back. He said everything is the code of technology. How you will think, how your life will be shaped, how you will respond, and probably you think something is freedom, and the code will tell you what is freedom, and you may even believe that is freedom, because the code is the one which decides what you watch, what you do, how to monitor. So this is a big challenge. Then, of course, globalization, which has started more than 200, 300 years, when transportation connected the world. What is the equal world? Always you can bring equality in every terms. All theorists are trying. Probably Karl Marx tried, telling that all will be equal. But nobody has a theoretical proposition on that. But the question, when the inequality becomes more and more, people will never respect law. If I am totally deprived and somebody is in such affluence near me, then my logic will be simply to take it over. This is one other thing. Then, of course, all of you know the important thing we understood very late is environment, right? We are very happy with all kinds of, we thought petrol is there, cars are there, everything we said, and suddenly we are now realizing slowly and steadily that now we want to reverse. And something which is irreversible is what you call the environmental concerns and erosion. Even now people are going to be presenters. We will have a lot of micro-level analysis by presenters, scholars, students. I'm pretty sure this will benefit all of you. As you said, it's lovely to know a law school taking a very challenging topic, very generic in one sense, nothing specific to India per se, but democracy across, because as I said that we always choose in life what they call best among the worst choices. Democracy till today is the best among the worst choices. None of us have an ideal choice, right? We choose something which is better than others. You won't believe me. My wife told me that why she chose. Right? So with that, I would like to conclude. Thank you very much. And I may also request, I will have some other time to come and spend time in a normal thing rather than a function, to spend time with the students to speak about few things of my specialization or interface. I will get in touch with Mr. Saloni to work it out. Today you need to excuse me because, as I said, the chief guest and guest of honor coming there, they may be wondering where is this Vice Chancellor around. So that is the reason I try to squeeze, and my due apologies for finishing it. And I think you have a next presenter online. Am I right? So I will allow to, online means you will record it, I can see that. With this, I would even take the permission when I come down because I need 15 minutes to drive back and be. Thank you very much for this invite. Good to interact with all of you. Thank you.
Who have blessed us with their kind presence today. People from the academic fraternity, from the legal fraternity, and the various participants who have joined us both in offline and online mode. Just for the benefit of the outside participants, I would like to briefly dwell upon the history of this university. We started the university in the year 2013 and got the approval from Bar Council of India to open the Department of Law in 2014. We have completed 9 years of existence of the Faculty of Law, and these 9 years have been very productive and very rewarding and very satisfying. Some of our students have been able to clear the judicial services exams. Some faculty members have also qualified judicial services exams, and today they are holding positions of sub-judge or a district judge in various parts of Chhattisgarh and even outside Chhattisgarh. We have conducted various moot court competitions very successfully. The recent moot court saw a participation of more than 39 teams from outside our campus. We have also arranged visits of our law school students to various district courts, to High Court of Chhattisgarh, High Court of Punjab and Haryana, High Court of Delhi, and also to the Supreme Court of India. Our students have done internships in various commissions like the Human Rights Commission, the Bal Adhikar Ayog, the Mahila Ayog, and various police stations, and have trained under some of the best. Has to step in. And recently, judiciary has to step in on multiple occasions in multiple directions. Whether it is a talk about environment, the degradation of environment, or the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or even life and liberty of the common citizen. We have seen judiciary taking a very active role, taking suo motu cognizance and coming up with very challenging and innovative judgments, trying to set the house in order. So it is important that we conduct conferences like this and we discuss on the contemporary topic, so that when you pass out and you join the legal fraternity, you are aware of the challenges and you are also aware of the solutions that judiciary has been offering to set right the various mistakes that are done by the executive or by the public at large. I am happy to note that we received more than 100 abstracts for this particular conference, and it must have been indeed very tough for the review committee to select some 50 odd papers for presentation in the conference. It's a 2-day conference, and hearing to 50 participants is going to be very interesting and a bit challenging also, as we are just noticing our
of a constitutional governance is rule of law. Unlike monarchy,